If you're building smarter, more dynamic forms in Formaloo, variables are one of the most powerful tools you can use. In this video, I'll explain what variables are, how they work, and how to use them to calculate scores, prices, and personalize your forms in real time. Variables in Formaloo are like invisible containers. As users fill out the form, you can assign values to those containers based on their choices or input. These values can be numbers, text, or formula. To set it up, go to the form editor and the variable section. Click on Add Variable. You'll choose one of four types: integer for whole numbers, decimal for numbers with decimal points, text for storing words or labels, formula for real-time calculations using math. You'll also assign it an ID, give it a title, and optionally set a default value. This setup enables other parts of your form to reference and utilize that variable. Here are 4 common use cases for variables. First, scoring a quiz. In a knowledge quiz, you can assign points to a variable like score whenever someone selects the correct answer. In a personality quiz, you might track different personality types by creating separate variable for each and adding points to them depending on selecting answers. In a personality quiz, you might track different personality types by creating a separate variable for each and adding points to them depending on selected answers. Make sure to set default values to 0, so they work properly if no points are added. Second, calculating a price. Let's say someone selects a service price. You can add those values into a variable, then multiply the total by separate input like quantity or duration using a formula variable. Third, custom formulas. Suppose you're building a calculator for square footage. Store inputs like length and width as variables, then calculate the area with a formula like this. Fourth, personalizing text. You can assign a text variable based on user choices and use that value later in your form or confirmation message. This allows you to tailor your message without creating multiple versions manually. You can use variables as conditions in your logic rules. For example, you can redirect users to different landing pages based on their score, or trigger different follow-up emails depending on personality type or selected services. All of that is made possible by comparing variable values inside your logic builder. To show a variable's value to the user, use answer piping. Just type the @ symbol followed by the variable ID. You can pipe variable values into messages, ending pages, email templates, and even into the AI prompt. Variables are one of the most powerful ways to make your Formaloo forms dynamic, intelligent, and tailored to every user. If this video helped you, be sure to subscribe for more tips on building smart forms with Formaloo. Happy Formalooing!